In today's video, we present a safety test of the Deepal S07, conducted by Euro NCAP. This electric SUV has earned the prestigious 5-star safety rating, proving its exceptional performance in comprehensive safety assessments. Stay tuned as we explore the 4 key categories of the Euro NCAP evaluation. Adult occupant protection, assessing the safety of adult passengers in various crash scenarios. Child occupant protection, evaluating the vehicle's ability to protect young passengers. Vulnerable road users, measuring the vehicle's impact on pedestrians and cyclists in case of collision. And safety assist systems, testing advanced driver assistance technologies designed to prevent accidents. Watch the full video to see how the Deepal S07 performs in each test and discover why it stands out as one of the safest electric SUVs on the market. Adult occupant. The passenger compartment of the Deepal S07 remained stable in the frontal offset test. Dummy readings indicated good protection of the knees and femurs of both the front seat occupants. Deepal demonstrated that a similar level of protection would also be provided to occupants of different sizes and to those sitting in different positions. Analysis of the deceleration of the impact trolley during the test and analysis of the deformable barrier after the test revealed that the Deepal S07 would be a benign impact partner in a frontal collision. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection of all critical body areas was good or adequate, both for the driver and rear passenger. In both the side barrier test and the more severe side pole impact, protection of all critical body regions was good, and the S07 scored maximum points in this part of the assessment. Control of excursion, the extent to which a body is thrown to the other side of the vehicle when it is hit from the far side, was found to be marginal. The Deepal S07 has a countermeasure to mitigate against occupant-to-occupant injuries in such impacts. The airbag performed well in Euro NCAP's test with dummy readings indicating good protection for both the driver and passenger. Tests on the front seats and head restraints demonstrated good protection against whiplash injuries in the event of a rear-end collision. A geometric analysis of the rear seats also indicated good whiplash protection. The car has an advanced e-call system which alerts the emergency services in the event of crash, and a system to prevent secondary impacts after the car has been in a collision. Deepal demonstrated that the doors and windows would be openable to allow occupants to escape in the event of vehicle submergence. Child occupant. In both the frontal offset test and the side barrier impact, protection of all critical parts of the body was good for the 6 and 10-year dummy, and the Deepal S07 scored maximum points in this part of the assessment. The front passenger airbag can be disabled to allow a rearward-facing child restraint to be used in that seating position. Clear information is provided to the driver regarding the status of the airbag, and the system was rewarded. The S07 is equipped with a direct child presence detection system, which issues a warning when it detects that a child or infant has been left in the car. However, the system did not meet Euro NCAP's requirements and was not rewarded. All of the child restraint types for which the Deepal S07 is designed could be properly installed and accommodated in the car. Vulnerable road users. Protection of the head of a struck pedestrian or cyclist were predominantly adequate, with some poor results recorded at the base of the windscreen and on the stiff windscreen pillars. Protection of the pelvis was good at all test locations. Protection of the pelvis was mostly mixed, while that of the femur was good at all test locations. The autonomous emergency braking AEB system of the Deepal can respond to vulnerable road users as well as to other vehicles. The system's response to both pedestrians was adequate, while its reaction to cyclists was good. However, the car does not offer protection against dooring, where a door is suddenly opened in the path of a cyclist approaching from behind. Performance of the AEB system was good in tests of its response to motorcyclists. Safety assist. Overall, the performance of the autonomous emergency braking AEB system was good in tests of its reaction to other vehicles, with impacts being avoided in most tests. System performance was marginal in crossing scenarios. A seatbelt reminder system is fitted as standard to the front and rear seats. The car has a direct driver status monitoring system as standard, detecting driver fatigue and several types of distraction. The lane support system gently corrects a vehicle's path if it is drifting out of lane and also intervenes in some more critical situations. The speed assistance system identifies the local speed limit. The driver can choose to allow the limiter to be set automatically by the system.
World Cars.